In this video, you'll learn the fastest way to get an invite for the Perplexity Comet Browser. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate through the process efficiently and effectively to gain access to this innovative browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Perplexity website. You can do this by typing Perplexity into your search engine and selecting the official site from the search results. Ensure that you are on the correct website before proceeding to avoid any potential issues. Once you are on the Perplexity homepage, locate the download section for the Comet browser. This may involve scrolling down the page or looking for a download button prominently displayed. Click on this button to initiate the download of the Comet browser installation file, which may take a moment, depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, locate the installation file in your downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Comet browser on your device. Once the installation is finished, launch the Comet browser to begin the sign-in process. Upon opening the Comet browser, you may be prompted to sign in. Enter your credentials as required. If you encounter a message stating invite required, there are a few options available to you. You can either join the waitlist, which may take a few days for you to receive an invite, or seek an invite code from someone who already has access. Alternatively, if you have access to Perplexity Pro, this option may allow you to bypass the waitlist entirely. This can be particularly useful if you need immediate access to the Comet browser. Make sure to explore all your options to determine the best course of action for obtaining your invite. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.